Tired of the gym? Crowds, commute, those crazy membership fees? Forget all that. Today, I'm proving you don't need a fancy gym to crush your fitness goals. We're talking 3 quick, easy home workouts that'll have you sweating, sculpting, and feeling amazing, all without leaving your living room. Sound good? Let's get started. Workout 1, body weight. Blast off. Your body is the ultimate workout machine. With a few simple moves, we'll target every muscle. First up, squats. These bad boys fire up your legs and glutes, building power and strength. Next, push-ups. Chest, arms, core, they all get a serious workout. Workout 2, core crusher. Want rock-solid abs without endless crunches? Let's do this. Start with a plank. It looks easy, but it's a core killer. Hold it as long as you can, feeling that deep burn. Next, mountain climbers. Fast and furious, these tone your abs and get your heart racing. Finish with Russian twists. Grab a book or a water bottle for extra resistance and feel that core tighten up. In minutes, you'll feel like you just did a full-on boot camp. Hello, six-pack? Workout 3, heat. It hard need results fast? HIIT, high-intensity interval training, is your answer. 30 seconds of jump squats. Explosive, lower body work to get that heart pounding. Next, burpees. They're tough, but they work your entire body and torch calories. Finish strong with high knees. A cardio blast that'll leave you breathless, in a good way. HIIT is all about intensity, not duration. Get in, get out, get results. There you have it. 3 awesome workouts to ditch the gym and get fit at home. No excuses, no equipment, just you, your body, and the results you've been craving. So, what are you waiting for? Your next workout is just a living room away.